Hello everyone and happy Thursday. I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day. I'm recording this before I go to Florida, but I am just getting back today and I wanted to have a video for you. So I do apologize I missed Monday's video. But I hope everybody's doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube, Poshmark, and also the RealReal. I work full-time in financial services, but I really enjoy reselling and YouTube, doing that on the side. So if you're new here, I do post videos normally Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. So I will be getting back to my regular schedule. I don't have any more trips planned until the end of June. So I should be pretty regular with the 2 videos a week. I'm not sure what I'm going to have for you Monday yet, but I will definitely have a video. So if you do enjoy mystery unboxings, I would love to have you subscribe. I will be offering the items from this bag for sale throughout the video tonight. If there's anything you'd like to purchase, just please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer, so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. So let me go ahead and get this open, and we will take a first look at the items. I do enjoy ordering these bags when they are available. They are difficult to get, but it's always a fun mix usually. This one is a little bit older. I ordered it in the middle of February, and they are $60 plus tax and $9.99 shipping for 15 pieces of curated jewelry. So let me go ahead, and one of my favorite brands to sell, right on the top there, brand new, and maybe a Brighton bag. So let's go ahead and make sure we got 15 items, and we will get started. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, that's Lily Pulitzer, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it looks like a good mix in this one. We do have a couple new on card pieces, some bling. I absolutely love Lily Pulitzer jewelry, so that is going to be exciting to look at that a little closer. But we'll just get started with this right on the top, and I believe these are some earrings. And these are fun. They are a drop earring with all of these kind of champagne colored stones. So I'll have to check those over. I had a feeling these were J. Crew, and they are. Looks like they could be maybe an older piece. But a really nice kind of gold neutral earring with some bling. They are not overly heavy, and it looks like they are in good condition. I'm going to give those ones a Google Lens. And check comps, and I'll put a price on the screen. Those are so fun. So an amazing start with some J. Crew. And we have this bracelet here. I believe it's a bracelet. And this is a really cool piece. It's a stretch, and might be a rose gold, and then you do have like some copper tone little beads there, and multicolor. And I don't see any maker on this one. The stretch seems to be pretty good. It's got a lot of bands there. So a cool piece. Let's do $6 on this one. That is really fun. But yeah, I don't see any signature on it. So a nice item though. And another bracelet here. This is really pretty. It is a clamper style. And then you have the little rhinestones. And I don't see any markings on this one. A nice shiny gold. Definitely just a gold tone. It is coming in copper. It is kind of on the smaller side. That's how it would look on a 6.5. It will open just a little bit. Let's do $7 on that. It's in really nice condition. And we've got our new on the card J. Crew necklace. And no original price or anything on it. It is pretty lightweight. Just want to check the clasp there. Make sure it's secure. Yeah, it was just a little bit open. So it's a really cool paper clip chain, and then you have all of these faux pearls. So a nice layering necklace, very elegant. Let's do $12 on the J. Crew. I definitely wouldn't mind keeping that if it doesn't sell. And our next item is another branded piece. Ooh, this is Ralph Lauren. I love that jewelry. It's really well made. And this is a necklace, silver tone. And there is some hair in it. But otherwise, it looks to be pretty good. I don't see any missing stones. And there's the back of it. It does have an extender. So a really nice piece to wear for a special occasion. Let's do $12 on the Ralph Lauren also. And we have another new on the card necklace here. This one was discounted down to $27, and it's another J. Crew. Very cool. And you can have the faceted clear beads. Those might just be acrylic. And then it comes down into a white tassel. There is just kind of a loose piece there. But overall really nice. A boho piece. Love that it's brand new. And our next item is another necklace. And this is also signed, maybe. It does have the heart hang tag, but there's no maker. So I'll try to look that up and see if I can find out what the brand is. But it's a really cool necklace in a matte gold tone with all these swirls. And I don't see any other markings. So I will see if I can find out that brand, and I'll put a price on the screen for that one, but that's a good piece. And next up, I do think this might be Fossil. So cute. It's got the little key and lock, and then the Fossil hang tag there. And let me see how this goes. Okay, so the clasp is up here. It just wasn't clasped right, which is why it was coming apart. So it does hook there. It's got an extender, a really large lobster clasp, and it is marked Fossil. And it's on a beautiful chain, and then you have this gorgeous ball with the rhinestones. And I don't see anything missing there. That is really, really pretty. So let's do $12 on that one too. And next up are some earrings. And these are a beautiful rose gold. And then you do have like a rose gold color rhinestone. And these ones do need a little bit of a wipe down. There is a little green on the backer. And I don't see any markings. We'll do $5 on those. They're very pretty. And our next piece might be a bracelet. Yes. This is really cool. It is a stretch. And it's mixed metal with the silver and gold. And it's really, really neat. Let me see. I don't see any markings on this. And it is just copper coming through. Let's do 6 on that one. That's really pretty. Definitely something you could wear with a lot of different pieces. And next we have a bracelet. And it does have the adjustable slider. It's Rebel Nell. And I believe that this is marked 925. There is like a little shell and a bead. And then on the back, I believe it is marked 925. Yes, it is marked on the back. So I don't know if the whole bracelet is 925. Yes, it is marked also on the back of the hang tag 925. So we'll test that little charm and the bracelet. It says built in 1921. Oh, it's Rebel Nell times the Congregation Detroit. Made with love by the Rebel Nell team using materials from recycled coffee beans from the congregation. That is really, really cool. I've never heard of this. So let me go ahead and test it and make sure that it is sterling. And I'll have to look up some information on the brand. But here's a scratch of the little, so that's a coffee bean then, I'm assuming. That is adorable. And then I don't want to press too hard on the bracelet because it is really delicate. And then you can adjust it. So it does have a little pliability to it. So we have the bracelet and the little charm. And let's test to make sure that it's coming in sterling. And yes, they are both sterling. Definitely the bracelet, the little bean is a little chalky, but I probably didn't get the best scratch on it, but it is blue. So I'm pretty confident that is sterling. So that is exciting and definitely a new to me brand. So I will look that up. And our next piece is a necklace. And this is on a really silky snake chain. We do have some kind of marking there. And oh my, that says 925. I don't know what that marking is. But if this is sterling, it's a lot of it. And then you have those pearls. And it is really silky. Adjustable slider. So let's go ahead and test. I'm actually going to check and see if it's magnetic first. And it is not. So let's go ahead and test the chain. And I'll get a better scratch if needed. And there is the pendant hoop. So let's check this out, and definitely I'm going to need to see what brand that is. Wow. So that is both sterling. That is amazing. I really wasn't expecting it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It looks brand new. Again, there is the marking. Could be like some kind of designer. It is beautiful. So that is a great item. I will put some information on the screen once I look that up. So we do have a few pieces of 925. And here's our Lily Pulitzer. It does come with a little jewelry pouch, which I will include. This brand is just so fun. These are gorgeous, like a raffia with a fish design and then all of these tassels. Absolutely adorable. And those do not have a suggested price. They were a gift with purchase earring. So how cool. I will look up comps on those and put a price on the screen. But fabulous. And you will get the matching jewelry pouch. So certainly giftable. And we're down to our last two items. I think this box was a little bit better than the one that I opened previously in last week's video. And we do have a wrap bracelet. This is Katie Solier. Not familiar with her. But these definitely feel like real stones. They are a reddish brown color, a beautiful wrap bracelet. And it does have a couple different adjustments there where you can put it where you'd like. And it looks to be in good condition. So I will look up this brand and put a price on the screen for that one. And our last piece are some earrings. And these are gorgeous. Wow. They are a chandelier drop earring. So the backers on these are marked S925ALE, which is generally Pandora. But I don't see any markings on the actual earrings. But they are gorgeous and look very high-end and very well made. So I don't think those would be a backer that we're just throwing on. They both match. So I'm going to give those a Google Lens, but let me go ahead and test it while we have out the stone here. And they are slightly articulated. So I want to be careful that I don't put too much weight on these to scratch them. Hopefully that will be enough to get a good read. I did take just a little bit of the tarnish off there. They're not overly tarnished, just a little bit, but we did get a decent scratch without pressing too hard. And yes, those are definitely sterling. So possible those are Pandora. I will Google search those and also put some info on the screen, but they are absolutely stunning. All the stones are there and they're very lightweight. And like I said, they are a little bit articulated. They have some movement to them. So definitely one of my favorite pieces in the box. That was our last item. So we had the beautiful earrings for one. Number two, we had the awesome Lily Pulitzer earrings. 3, we had the J. Crew earrings. 4, we had the wrap bracelet that was branded Katie Solier. Number 5, we had the Rebel Nell bracelet. Number 6, we had the Fossil necklace. Number 7, we had the 925 necklace that's branded. Number 8, we had the bracelet. Number 9, we had the new on the card J. Crew. Number 10, we had the Ralph Lauren. I forgot about that one. 11, we had the little drop earrings. 12, we had the stretch bracelet. 13, we had the other J. Crew pearl necklace. 14, we had the stretch bracelet. And then our last item was this necklace that I'm not sure of the brand. So this box was really quite incredible. Definitely the best one that I've opened in a minute. I will certainly be able to make a profit on this one. We had 3 pieces of 925, the amazing Lily Pulitzer, 2 brand new J. Crew. I love getting Ralph Lauren. So I am thrilled with this box. Let me know what your thoughts were and if you had a favorite piece from this haul. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great weekend and make sure you come back on Monday for another video. We're either going to do some more jewelry or like I said, I've got a lot of purse boxes here, so we'll figure something out. But I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you back on Monday.